you have a lot of really beautiful root vegetables in here. When do you plant them in the greenhouse?
Yep. So in this bed, we've got some carrots in the foreground, leeks in the middle here, and there's some bunching onion as well, sort of hidden right now by the carrot greens. And then 3 different kind of beets back here in the back that you can see are just going bonkers. So all of this I planted as seed, I think it was February, like kind of early February, and it is now May. So you can see that everything is, you know, in full production. And actually some of this is totally ready to eat. Even on the beets, they're kind of almost ready for storage. So I was just noticing here, I'm going to pull one of these guys so you can get a sense. But this guy right here, like this is ready to eat and then some. Like, look at the size of that beet. I mean, that's like easily well, it's bigger than a grapefruit. Like grapefruit, I don't know, small ball sized. But yeah, I mean, this is ready to eat now, and I can leave it in the ground all summer long and eat them as I go. The greens are edible too, so they kind of are like a chard almost. So you can boil these down or wilt them down and use them in a variety of ways. So yeah.
When did you plant this bed where you have kale and carrots growing together? Yeah,
so this bed I planted, I think it was late September, early October. Again, everything from seed. And what I did was, it's one of these kind of round grow bags. So in the middle, I planted the kale, and then around the whole perimeter is carrots. And so I've been eating carrots and kale salads, raw, cooked, pretty much all winter long. You can see these leaves are now what, you know, kind of forearm length. And I still actually have carrots down in here. Grab a couple. So these are, you know, we're getting to the end of the production, so they're on the smaller side, but still, you know, nice, pretty carrots that totally edible, ready to go still.
Awesome. And do you find that the kale leaves tend to still be pretty tender growing inside, even though they're mature plants?
They do, yeah. So with the kale, I think in the early months when the leaves were really little, didn't really have to do much to them to even eat them raw. Now with these guys that are getting bigger, they're still quite pliable and tender. With a salad, I'll probably do a little bit of massaging with olive oil and salt just so that they're tastier, but you could still eat these raw and they'd be quite good too.